Hello sa lahat. Ellen Yig here. Actually, I was asked to do a Premiere tutorial. Yesterday, I did my reaction video yesterday, and then somebody asked me. It's actually Louis Puloy, the reaction that I did yesterday is from his channel, and he also asked me to do a tutorial on how to set up a Premiere. First, we're gonna talk about Premiere. Premiere actually is free because somebody thought that it's not free. It's actually free. And then what are the benefits pag nag-premiere ka? First, yung benefits niya is para siyang ipopromote yung channel mo sa lahat ng community mo. So makikita nila lahat na may bago kang channel, may bago kang video na i-upload at naka-schedule for premiere. Ang next niyan is as much as marami kang oras para i-invite yung mga friends mo. Depende kung gaano ka long yung set date mo sa premiere mo. Pwede mo siyang i-invite sa lahat ng social media, lahat ng friends mo, tapos mas-schedule nila, mapuntahan nila. At the next niyan is, yung premiere mo na nakaset is always live siya until the time na matapos siyang ipalabas. So lahat, kaya pwede mo siyang i-invite ahead, tapos mapuntahan ng mga ka-YouTuber mo or kahit yung mga walang YouTube, pwede nilang silipin. At yung mga ka-YouTuber mo, pwede na nilang i-like, mag-comment sila sa live chat or comment box. Dalawa yung open comment box at saka yung live chat. Tapos ikaw rin, pwede mo na silang sagutin doon. Next is sa time na nagpe-premiere ka, para kayong nanonood, parang nakaka-excite, 'di ba? Kasi pinapanood, tapos kung may mga tanong yung mga kaibigan mo, pwede mo silang sagutin sa actual ng live video mo. At saka maganda kasi yung premiere, ang pinakagusto ko doon yung pag lumalabas na yung counter na nakaset ni YouTube. Si YouTube mismo ang nagsiset ng counter. Napakaganda niya tingnan sa premiere mo. Nakaka-excite yung. Ang isa pa palang benefits niya, pag nagpe-premiere ka, pag marami kang taong nanonood, kahit na yung video mo is 15 minutes, malaki ang makukuha mong watch hours doon. Kaya malaki-laki ang ibibigay ni YouTube. Isipin mo, tsaka agad-agad meron ka ng mga likes kasi in advance nga na-invite mo na. So pwede na nilang i-like kahit di sila nakarating sa premiere mo dahil sa mga schedule din nila. Pero marami kang makukuhang like na at saka mga comments, additional points yun para sa channel mo. Tsaka pag nag-stay sila, yun naman ang pinaka-bonus mo rin kasi kahit na 15 minutes lang ba yung video mo, pag marami, ilang oras yung ibibigay sa iyo ni YouTube. 'Di ba? Marami ding benefits, kaya maganda rin mag-premiere. So, anyway, let's start the tutorial. Sana magustuhan nyo at may maintindihan kayo. Let's start. Ellen Yag here. Let's start with our Premiere tutorial. As you can see, I am on my son's channel. It's Dylan Winarki channel. So I'm gonna try to upload a video here. It's like the normal way of uploading. So you just press this button, this icon, to upload a video. Upload a video, pick that one. And then it's gonna open to YouTube Studio, and then you're gonna select a file. So you might not be able to see this because I'm going through my file and picking a video for Dylan. So okay, I got his video here, so I'm gonna open it now, selecting the files, uploading it. So there's my video. I already put the title here. It's War on Paper, and then you can add a description. Fun time with mom. So here I'm just gonna leave the thumbnail, so it's up to you. When you can do this later on editing, but this is very important. I usually pick this. No, it's not for kids, just for the safe side. Okay, and then click next. And then this one also, you can add it later on your editing. So click next again. And now this is the part where you are gonna pick your Premiere. As you can see, this is save or publish. So there is different buttons. It says private, unlisted, or public. Usually if you set a Premiere, you set it for public. I tried this one. I don't think this one works for Premiere. So set for public. And then now see, this button opens up, so you can set it for Premiere. And then you can go down, schedule your Premiere. So you can pick whatever date you want. See, as you can see, you can even go further. See, so how many days you want it to be. You just keep in mind, as long as your Premiere is not started, you are like on live. So whatever time you want to, you pick. So I'm just showing it to you, so I don't have to touch that one. There's even a time zone there, whatever time you want it to set. And then when you're ready to the date that you pick, then you can do the check this button, set as Premiere. Now you can pick this schedule. Okay, you can actually right away share it, but I usually don't do it because I want to do some editing. So just close this button, and now you can see your Premiere, but then you can edit here too. See, I usually edit. You can see if you want to add, you want to pick your thumbnail. Let's see, we'll pick this thumbnail for him, and then you can add your tags. Let's say Philippine game. Again, you can fun, paper, whatever tag you want to do, as much as you can. And then you can also put your end screen if you want to add an end screen. I'm not gonna add anything on end screen for now. So you can see you have your Premiere here. It is set. Okay, so it's done. Okay, save. It's okay, I've messed it up. Okay, save. So the schedule is still there. Yes. Okay, done. I don't know why it doesn't. So save this one. Now I can save it. Save whatever changes you did. I don't know why it didn't save right away, but there you go. And then you can also edit here. If you wanted to edit it before it will be published, you can do that here too. Oh, actually no, sorry for that. So let's go back. Edit and apply elements on a timeline in one place. You can edit your video. You can actually do it, but I'm not gonna do it right now because we're just showing how to set a Premiere. But here you can preview your video too, so you can decide if you wanna edit it. Okay, fire na, fire. Okay, I hope it helps you. You can, one more thing. I'm so loud here. One more thing, you can see, you can recheck on your channel how does your, after everything is done, you can recheck how does it looks like. So it's here. Let's open it up, and then as you can see, you have a live chat here, and you can also invite already your friends to come, and they can pick to comment here, or they can be on the live chat. So as long as the video is not open yet, until it's done, you are gonna be live. So it's like you are on live stream too. So this is it. This is how you do the Premiere. I hope it helps you. Thank you for watching.